God, today I'm back once again. So today I'm back once again. So I'm about to do a slime video. Before I get into this video, I want 100 likes. That's all. That's all. Okay, so I got Elmer's glue, school glue. Then I got some gang. It never been opened. This is new, and I got it. And I got my mixing tool. And then I got my big old bowl I always use to do stuff. Hold on, y'all. My stuff dropping. This is my big bowl I always use. So, we're going to just start into this video before I start saying blah, 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 this and that. Okay, so I'm going to open this animal glue. I maybe ain't going to make that much slime because tonight I'm going to make another YouTube video, I think. But you know, at night I love to get comfortable, so maybe change my clothes at night, because I always do that. I'll take a shower in the morning, then, you know, put on my other clothes at night. Not the clothes I'm going to wear the next day, not that day. Alright, so now I'm going to open my gang. See, this how you know this is new. This mess is so good, y'all. I wash my clothes with this tonight.